How to remove an Excel document. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove any document on your Excel app. So all what you have to do is go to your Microsoft Excel. Now this is the home page. Those are my documents. Now if you want to delete any document, all what you have to do is go here and click on those three dots. For example, I'm gonna delete this one and click. Now choose delete from here. Now it's deleted easily by clicking on yes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.